Hey guys, it's Jenny Wolek with the Wolek Group, Keller Realty Advantage in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Today I'd love to take you on a walking tour of this wonderful listing in Jenks, Oklahoma. It is listed at $185,000 and located at 11921 East Holley Street in Jenks. Let's go on a walking tour. Let's take a look inside. Right from the start, you can see that it's a split bedroom floor plan. We've got 2 bedrooms over on this side, as well as the laundry room in that closet, and a full bath right over here. Good neutral tile floors, low maintenance, nice and clean shower with a bathtub. All right, so let's go over to the big open living dining area. So walking in, you can see to the left we've got a huge space for either a formal dining as they have used, or it could also be a flex space, maybe office space or kid play area, and a huge open living room with gas fireplace over there in the corner, a TV mounted up high, nice windows all along the back with 2-inch faux wood blinds. I love the light coming in here. We've got this eat-in dining space and this cutout kitchen space where when you're back there cooking, you get to still be a part of all the activities. Now here in the kitchen, we've got some great updated stainless appliances, new dishwasher, oven, got some gas burners up there on top, microwave, and stainless fridge as well. Little pantry area over there on the left. Now let's go to the master bedroom. Okay, so here's the master. Obviously a really large space with vaulted ceilings up there. Now over here in the master bath, you've got 2 sinks. Again, the neutral tile floor carries through. We've got a jetted tub, a nice shower as well, and a huge master closet. Now let's check out the backyard. Right away you can see that it's got an extended concrete patio, a nice little pergola here to hang out and enjoy the outside, and a great big backyard with privacy fence, some nice landscaping, and full brick all around. Well, that wraps up our tour. If you'd like to take a look at this home in person, it has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2-car garage, about 1,850 square feet. It was built in 2000 and it's in Jenks West schools. If you'd like to see it in person, give us a call. My number is 918-706-9845. Bye.